Alright, well, we might have to use that mic today. Testing, testing. Why is my mic not working? Or at least we caught this in 5 minutes in. Let me see if I have another mic. Hold on. I have another mouse. Yeah, it seems like my mic is not working. Oh, die. Hold on. Let's see if I can fix it now. What? Too many cords, bro. Ugh. Device is not connected or not available. That's so odd. Alright, I think it does work. But it's just not working right now. So I'm gonna just move it out of the way for now. So many. Things we don't need. I feel like every time we stream, there's always just like an issue. Like on this channel particularly, there's always just tech issues. We're gonna try this new mic today. Oh, this isn't. Alright. Hopefully this one will work today. What's going on, Camille? Sorry, my mic is broken. You want to see progress on my game? My mic is not working though. It's so weird. I have a new mic in right now. I don't know if this one's working either. Super bizarre. Yeah, it's super weird. It's gonna be so base. It will be. Oh wait, my mic's working. Alright, I have a new mic today. Can you hear me? Does it sound good? Alright, do you want to see my game? Here we go. I'm putting in a character. That's my big plan for today, but here we go. So as you can see, we have coin sounds. The camera now follows the player. We have different colored obstacles. We have different size obstacles. We have the scoreboard. We have the coin board. Right, things get deleted after it's not in the game anymore. All right, we do run out of area, but then look, game over, makes a sound, starts over by itself. And so now we're adding a character. We did this in 6 days, alhamdulillah. Pretty hype. So right now I'm asking our good friend ChatGPT because I have assets that I added, but for whatever reason it just made the guy purple, and I would have to change it manually, and it seems like a lot of work. So I want to see if I can add assets that actually have my requirements. If so, but then my mics just stopped working. Of course. But now I have this new mic. So first off, let me know if you can actually hear me on this mic. If it works. Maybe I can hear myself actually. But then my mic's just stopped working. Oh yeah. Of course. I feel like this mic's louder than my old one. It's probably better. Alright. So how do I tell which assets I can use that fit my setup and I don't have to change the color of the character manually? That's cool. Thanks. Yes, this is actually a smart move. You can absolutely download characters that are already supported URP so you don't get purple materials. Set a filter. Oh, okay, perfect. Okay, great. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the asset store. We're gonna go asset store web. And then we're gonna go 3D characters. And we have to change all the settings over here. Characters. GUI, painting. Add-ons, audio, essentials, templates. What about systems? What does systems mean? And obviously we need to look at free assets. And you can search URP humanoid price free. Okay. There's some robots, survivalist, module, army. That could be not. That's not exactly what we want. Orc. Zombie. Oh, this is it? Oh man, these characters all are really whack. These are not bad. Okay. Character constructor. Hopefully this, we'll just do this for now, obviously. Now, how's your day going, Camille? Make Steve a character. Facts. Facts. In the future, we'll make a Steve game. We'll make a mini game just for Steve. It'll be him trolling YouTube comments. A YouTube troll simulator, bro. We'll make a YouTube troll simulator game called Steve. Steve.ai. What's going on, Real Track? I'm doing good, bruv. I'm doing good. How are you doing? Right now, what I'm doing is I'm actually I'm adding. I think this character constructor. Sorry, there's some whatever things going on, but this character constructor, they already are set up with my URP, so I don't have to actually change the color manually, I think. When you import the new improved character, use the same process. Nice. That's lit. When you import the new character, okay, so player model. Can I just search? Okay. Character. Characters. Nope. What was the thing I just downloaded? Yeah, character. So I did yesterday. Import. Yes, import. Well, that's sweet that you added some stuff to your friend's website. What kind of website is it? Okay. Great. I don't know what this one's called. Yeah, that's cool. That sounds sweet. How long have you both been working on it? Okay. Let's delete this. Yeah, for sure. Okay. Is he floating? Man, alright, this part is gonna be dangerously hard. Okay. This one's gonna seem, this part is gonna be very hard to do. Okay. Okay. This seems like it's going to be a monumental amount of work. I should have probably just waited maybe to the end to start adding characters, to be honest, and just add more features in the game. Which we're gonna try and add some We're gonna try and add at least one character so I get the hang of it, so I understand how it works. And then we'll go back to adding features in the game. Okay. So, I think I did it. What do next to get character? All good. So I'm using the three things I'm using is obviously ChatGPT, right? It's basically been coding for me, even though, you know, obviously I've been learning some stuff, which is pretty hype. I'm using Cursor as my like tool that plugs into, that does like the scripts for me, or where I build the scripts. So right here's like coin manager, and so you know, this is for, you know, coin, adding different coins, right? And then also adding the coin text up here. This is how the player moves. Is this script, very basic script. And so yeah, so and then this is Unity, and this is like the big like gaming, you know, back end or whatever, like the gaming software to build games. So those are the three I've been using. People also say Claude is pretty good, which I mean, yeah, I'm sure it is, but yeah, this is what I'm using to get the character all good. Bang. Ye. Yes, is much more place. Character is visible, not purple. That's true. Parented under player has animator and avatar. We already did hide the capsule. Make sure the character is aligned. Play a run animation. Turn off root motion. We already did that. We already hid the capsule. Yeah. No, for sure it's gotten a lot dumber. And it's because like the thing is that AI is like, it's not chopped up what it's supposed, how they like try to sell it, right? Like everything that they say, just, you know, what my dad would say is like cut in half divided by 2, right? Like back in like 2022 or 2023, when like Lex Friedman and Sam Altman were on the podcast, like on Lex Friedman's podcast, and talking about like, oh, ChatGPT 3, like 3.0 might be sentient, and it obviously was not. Like, you know, it's just a bunch of like marketing. And, you know, there's just limits in life, right? There's only how tall you can be because of your parents' genetics, right? There can only be, you know, how fast you can run or whatever. That's the same thing with AI, right? How much data infrastructure do you have, like data centers, right? How good are your actual, like, you know, software engineers? You know, how much time can you build right before you need to sleep? There's always just going to be a limit to something in life. Ever heard of Steve AI? Yeah, we'll make Steve AI. We'll make Steve AI the game. All right, align the character. It seems pretty aligned. Character seems pretty chill. Yeah, position. It kind of looks like he's no, he's not floating. That's just his cape. Yeah, he's not floating. Yeah. Okay, set the run. Okay, right now in your screenshot, the animator says controller equals none. That's true. You need to assign animated controller. In your assets, I can see. Shoot, I had it. Packages. Or it's art. Humans. Demo characters. Stylized characters. Animators. This is just horrid situation here. We'll just put constructor. Okay. Let's see. In your assets, I can see already. Okay, let's put idle. Idle. You want a run or walk style animation. Run. Run forward. Okay. Animator. Avatar. Okay. We're gonna just keep screenshotting things until we get it. Yeah, avatar. Okay. Yeah. We're just gonna, this is gonna be a lot of chat, I mean, it always is a lot of ChatGPT. We're just gonna do a lot of ChatGPT today. But hopefully this will make adding characters in the future a lot easier. Okay. Okay. Inside the folder of assets, we're gonna create. So in assets, this folder. Okay. Assets. Create folder. Player. Animator. Open the animator window. And then we're gonna need to do run forward, run right, run left, run left, run forward, run forward. All right, I notice I'm doing all of them. We'll do jump. Jump. What do we have? Jump, run, left, right. Oh, man. Yeah, right, left, forward, jump. Okay. We have this. You should see a box run forward. It should be orange. It's not orange. If it is gray. Okay. We're just gonna go very slowly with this one. Okay, what next? So in the player animal folder, right click, and I have to create the controller. Okay, we're creating the animator controller. Create animator controller. Then we're gonna name it player animator. And we're gonna open this. Drag run forward to the base layer. Oh! It's orange. Holy crap, guys. I don't know what's going on, but things are going down. So, okay, we're going to set that it's already orange. Can I... Oh, God. Yeah. Okay. I don't know why I moved it. I just didn't like it there. It was kind of stressing me out. Okay, so we clicked player. Drag player animator into the controller field. Turn off root motion. We already hid the capsule. Okay, it's telling me to press play, guys. Mistake? I don't know. I don't know. I'm just kind of going with the flow. Can we just go to scenes? Oh, scene. Game. Play. Oh, he's running. Oh, guys, look at that. He's running. That's insane. Okay. Now the player should run forward. If the animation does not play, it does play. Optional next polish after this works. The next best upgrades make the lane switch feel more alive by blending. Yes. Peak. Is there gonna be border on the sides? Yeah, there will be. Yeah, we'll figure out something for that. We will. Right now I wanted to work on the character, but yeah, we will. We'll work on something like what I'm gonna also do is I'm gonna start playing like other limitless runners to see what they do. We'll definitely do that on the channel. But yeah, for right now I wanted to get a player in, and so that was sweet. So we're learning how the player works. The cool thing is we can just delete this constructor player whenever and just add the player that we want in the future. But yes, it works. perfectly. Let's add the other animations. And soon we can add jump too. We're probably making this way too complicated. Alright, what I want to do is we're going to save this. Yeah, we're actually not going to make it too complicated today. Yeah, this seems like we're adding way too much to the character. We can go back to this another time. Because what I want to add the colors to the character. And then potentially add more features. We don't need to do all of this nonsense. It's going to make it look way better. For sure, but I mean, this is already good enough. Save combo. Let's do this all another time. Let's add the color to the character for this day 7 stream. Okay. Here we go. Step 1, we gotta locate this stuff. We see materials, textures, meshes. Yep. Open materials. It's purple. Purple. It should be color preview. Everything is purple. Maybe we should delete my other... the other character. Can I delete this? If I have to delete it manually, that's just... Okay. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm like locked in. Okay, what about also different? What do you do? Yeah, I know. Honestly, we would not be able to do any of this without AI. Like, how would people know how to intuitively do all of this? I guess they just kind of do what you guys have been doing, just coding since young. Yeah, we're gonna well, yeah, for sure, we're gonna definitely different types of obstacles. Anyway, so yeah, I'm asking it like, how do I like what it's showing me right now? It's showing me the other color, the other character that we added yesterday, shaders, right? And because it's not a URP, which is called a universal something pipeline, I have to change it to that. So as you can see, the shaders this. I go to the URP, but it says I can either use simple lit or just normal lit. Let me try complex lit. But we'll just do simple lit for today, because this is not going to be our final character. What is baked lit? Yeah, we'll just do simple lit. So we're going to do all of that for this. That is step uno, simple lit. Oh. Okay. Repeat that for all the purple materials and add color. After shaders fixed on each one, go to base map. Base map. And change it whatever color we want. We'll do, I guess, brown. Okay. Oh, this one maybe we'll just do black. I don't know, we'll just do, I guess, maybe blue. If you want the quickest. No, yeah, we'll stream for like another hour. Just give me a second. Yes. As you can see, my dog wants attention. Yes. Oh my lord, jeez. Stay. Okay. Jeez. Did you guys see that? It knocked my glasses. My dog knocked my glasses off. That was funny. Okay. So back. Okay. Instead, okay, in assets. In assets, we're going to do create material. We're going to name this hero mat, meaning hero material. And we're set it, the shader. Yep, it's already there. Universal pipeline, simple lit. That will drag the material straight into it. Did it? Pick a color that you like. Where did it do that? Oh, it's to drag the material. Alright, I think I was doing the wrong thing at first, but we're just changing all of this just in case. Eyes outer. What does that mean? What does eyes outer mean? Oh. Like the whites of the eyes? Streaming on min channel. What do you mean? Like I should stream this on the main channel? Hair. Sure, dark. Okay, this guy's gonna look really whack. This is not my forte. Oh, am I streaming on the main channel today? No, I'm not. Failed acquiring screen capture permissions. Color picker will not be able to. No, I'm not gonna be streaming today. I'll probably be streaming tomorrow though. On the main channel. Inshallah. So we'll see. Okay. Drag the material straight onto the visible character. Like this. Like this. Oh my lord. Alright, what was the question? Alright, okay, wait, okay. Assets. The hero mat. What? No. Okay, this is gonna be extremely difficult. Oh crap, I might have messed this up. Okay. Onto the visible character mesh. Okay. Like this stuff? It's hard to tell. Wait, what? Wait, why is this character looking perfect? Oh my lord. Wait, why does this character have all of this stuff? Dude, I'm so... did I just color him? That character's him. What? That's crazy. Alright, so I kind of... this is... That's so funny. Wow. Honestly, I'm somehow both an idiot and a genius. I'm gonna rotate this guy just a smidge. No, jeez. He's looking weird. Okay. We got a character. I don't know how it worked, but it somehow used both my previous character and then the new character stuff. I honestly don't know. Yeah, see you later, bro. I'll probably end the stream here soon anyways. But I don't know how any of this happened. But alhamdulillah, it works. That's crazy. Interesting. Okay, based. It's been an hour. Alright, maybe we'll just add some more features. Sorry, just taking a quick break. Okay, let's kind of get... Yeah, I think we're just going to keep it like this. We're going to keep the character like this. Looks good. Or is that the boots? Yeah, we're just gonna keep it like this. Okay, so we're gonna add some more features now. We're gonna stream. We're gonna try and add one more feature. We're gonna stream for like another 30 minutes here. Okay, here we go. I guess. Oh, we can move the character. Oh, because of the scale. Okay. Okay, cool. All right, we're gonna add some of this stuff tomorrow. We're gonna end it here. We have the character. All right, yeah, that was the goal. We got the character. Somehow it worked. I'm a genius by being stupid. But yeah, thank you guys all for watching. I'm gonna stream again tomorrow, hopefully. Probably in the afternoon or late in the night. We'll find out. But yeah, we're gonna end it here. Thank you guys all for joining, and I'll talk to you guys soon.